Okay, I thought I'd do an update of the Epic deck project. Cut all my boards. These are going to be my joists. 2x8, pressure treated. And to make things easier, just a ledge board. This is temporary. I will take this off, but it's just to help me line up all my boards and so on. So this is my setup. I decided to put my compound sliding miter saw underneath our deck. And I got my generator over here. I just turn it on when I need it. Just a little hot dog air compressor and my nailer. And I picked up some hot dip galvanized 2 3/8 nails for my nailer. And this is my process. Right here is my center line. I'm doing 16 inches on center for my beams. And because I'm working by myself, I like to measure 3/4 inch over, because a 3/4 and 3/4 makes 1.5 inches. That's the width of the plank. So then I just line it up here. Just to tack it. It's not to hold it. It's just to tack it. When you're working by yourself, makes it easier. And then what I'll do is I'll finish off here, and then I'll come back, put my joist hangers in. Because there's a little bit of gap, slide this in. Got a lot of work done on the deck yesterday. Got a nice 7-foot wide section by 10.5. So I picked up some more boards yesterday. I'm gonna work on another 7 feet so I can get at least 10 by 10 of decking finished.